Hi everybody, this is Adam. I just did a quick video on how to play the Aeolian Mode in the key of G. So I'm going to continue in that vein and show you how to play the Aeolian Mode in the key of G. Now just so as a note to the side, I already showed you how to play this scale. I called it the Aeolian scale, or the relative minor to the G. But following in the vein of the modes, I'm going to show you how to think about it a slightly different way. So the first note of the Aeolian mode is going to be the sixth note of the seven modes in the sequence of modes. So the sixth note of the G major scale is what? It's E, right? So G, A, B, C, D is the fifth note. E is the sixth note. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the G major scale, but instead of starting on G, we're going to start on E, and instead of ending on G, we're going to end on E. Okay? So it sounds like this: E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. That's very familiar to most people because it's also called the relative minor. And a lot of bluegrass players, for example, know the major and its relative minor. But if you're going to play Celtic music, you need to know it as the G Aeolian mode because it's a very popular mode. Okay, and if you have any questions, I'm online all the time. You can ask on Facebook or through my website, and I hope you have a good day.